Looking for the ultimate inspiration to make your next party truly spectacular? This video reveals how I transformed an ordinary restaurant into a breathtaking, grand pink tree entrance, guaranteed to drop jaws and create unforgettable memories. Prepare to be inspired and learn how to bring your own dream party vision to life. Imagine a birthday party so enchanting it feels like stepping into a fairy tale. What if I told you the secret ingredient is something as simple and delightful as pink trees? Get ready to transform your next celebration into a truly magical wonderland, starting right at your table. Here are a few pictures of a mom and pop restaurant, and believe it or not, this is the name of the restaurant, Mom and Pop's, located in Arlington, Georgia. One of my friends who's turning 70 years old wanted to have her very first birthday party. And as you see, we do have kind of a clean slate, but there's a lot of work that we need to do. So what we're going to do, we're going to get into it, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. So here is the reveal. This is what I transformed it into. This is the table that is in the back, and as you see, it's an oval. Some of the tables were not even, the tables that you open up, the folding tables. This is just an oval kitchen table. So this is how we transformed it. I went in with my gold, sparkly tablecloth, these pink pastel trees, hints of black, hints of gold, and a little bit of white, just to give it a little bit of more elegance and flair. This party was set for 50 people. I have really think that the guest, as well as the guest of honor, was very pleased with what I did. As you see in the front, there is the buffet table where the guests will be eating from. This is the guest table herself. So I went in with glass plates, glasses, silverware, and we wanted to glam her table up just a little bit more. So that way we know that she is the special lady for the night. And when I found out that her favorite color was pink, I had to go all out. This is her gift table, which could also serve as a cake table or a dessert table. But for the evening, it was just her gift table. Here is a pink floral that I put together to kind of camouflage where customers would normally pay for their meal. But just watch, enjoy, and take it all in. She was so thrilled and excited. She felt like a queen for the day, and I am so happy to have been a part of this event for her. So I would like for you all to see how I did set the table, because you know what? Today is Tablescape Tuesday and it is freestyle. So let's go ahead and watch how these tables are set to perfection. And I would like to thank the host, Anna from the Grace Life DIY, for hosting yet another great Tablescape Tuesday. And remember, Tablescape Tuesday is hosted every Tuesday. Sometimes we have a host, sometimes we have a co-host. Tonight, like I said, is freestyle, and we have a playlist for everyone to go by to watch the other participants' videos. Make sure you watch and watch to the end. Give them a thumbs up if you really, really like it. Please share with a friend. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel or either some of the other participants' channels, please make sure you subscribe. And I would like to thank everyone for watching. I hope this has inspired you. I hope this video has made you smile. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Happy decorating. Let's listen to a little bit of the music and look at these tables.